In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an idler pulley on your Subaru Outback. This will be located on the front of the motor. Let's get started. Using a pair of clip pliers, remove the two clips for this top trim piece. Remove the trim piece. Using a 15mm wrench, we're going to take the tension off of the tensioner. As we do this, pull the belt off of any pulley. Let it go back. I'm not going to fully remove the belt since all we need to do is change this pulley. Using a 14mm wrench, break the bolt free. Remove the bolt. Remove the pulley. Install the pulley. Install the bolt. Snug it down. Torque the pulley bolt to 24 foot-pounds. I'm going to pull my belt back over. I'm going to have it rested on the top of the pulley. As it's doing that, take your 15mm wrench, take the tension off the tensioner. And install the belt around the pulley. Make sure the belt is sitting in all of the grooved places and all of the flat places. Install the clips. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.